They say that you can't put a price on a life, but the fact of the matter is that the legal system has to try to do that every single day. In this video, I want to talk about something that's deeply personal to each one of us, but also a bit of a postcode lottery when it comes to the law: bereavement compensation. Now, I'm in Scotland, but if you're in England or Wales, the law on who can claim compensation after a fatal accident is, to put it bluntly, pretty restrictive. As things stand south of the border, my understanding is that bereavement damages are mostly limited to spouses, civil partners, or parents of children under 18, and the payout is capped at a fixed sum that many relatives feel doesn't remotely reflect the loss. And I think wider society would probably agree with that view. Hi, I'm Peter Brash at Moray Claims at Grigor Young in Elgin, and for many years now, Scots law, the law of Northern Britain you could say, has been used by campaigners in Southern Britain as the benchmark for a fairer and more compassionate way of doing things in relation to fatal accident claims. In Scotland, the law takes a much more humane and civilised approach. Instead of a one-size-fits-all cap on compensation, Scottish courts look at the distress, grief and loss of society for a much wider range of family members on a case-by-case basis, so that includes siblings, grandparents, grandchildren. The Moray Claims website article which accompanies this video talks about a case involving a BBC producer who lost her father in a tragic cycling accident, which I think was in London. And because it happened in England, she wasn't eligible for bereavement damages at all, despite being incredibly close to him emotionally. She described it as having no recognition in the eyes of the law for what she had lost. If that same accident had happened in Scotland, the outcome for her and for her family would have been very different. Have a read of the accompanying article if you want an idea of the way that the specific award amounts we see in Scotland compared to England work, and also the exact list of relatives who can claim under Scots law, and why the Scottish system is seen as much fairer reflection of modern family life. As always, if you have any questions, my colleagues and I at Moray Claims at Grigor Young are here to help you with no obligation at all.